Hello everybody, I'm at a undisclosed location. You might know where this is, I don't know, we'll see, but we're going to take a look at something here. Oh, what do we got here? This is sight unseen, so I'm just checking this out now. May want to take it back, I don't know. We've got to do a little work on it. There it is. Got to put a battery in it and see what's going to happen from there. Well, we got the battery here. Craft. Comes with the go handle, cheapest one around. So we're going to get this installed and see if it'll start up. And I do have a special guest here with me today. Look at that.
It happened. It finally happened.
What, 5-6 years, something like that?
Been a while.
So it's time to quit yakking and get the battery installed. So I'm going like this.
Yep. That one's smaller than the one that was in there because it was the cheapest one.
Good enough.
Have the little tray on the bottom of it. I don't know if that's necessary or not. Does the go handle snap down at all?
Let's see.
Oh, it does. Good.
It's not that cheap, but
It's
it'll
cheap
go
enough.
ahead. Yeah, it'll snap down. There's the negative. Might need to put a torque or two on that one.
Gotta do the fire test. I don't want to burn down the rig, you know.
I don't detect anything out of the ordinary. Fumes, nope. Nope. Look, we might be golden.
That might be enough to get it started.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Uh-huh. Yep. So I get the honors.
You get the honors. It's you gotta unlock it. That's no. It takes the square key.
This one? Oh.
Yeah, it does. Other way, I think. There you go.
They must have changed that between 67 and 81.
And you have to use the left hand to open the door, because otherwise you got to do one of these with the right hand, because that's how. But all the GMs were like that.
Yeah.
Get in?
Yep. We're in.
Okay, I usually give it 10 because it's been sitting forever.
Okay.
And just turn the key. You don't have to step on it or nothing. It'll crank. Keep going. There you go. He's actually running decent today. Started up pretty nice.
That's what happens when a Gen X starts a carbureted vehicle.
Beg my pardon. We got some oil pieces. Oh yeah, she's pegged. Yep, absolutely.
Get a look at those cubic inches chooching away.
Right.
Doesn't seem to be misfiring too bad.
Not too bad. The exhaust is a little, you can hear the misfires of that. You can rev it up a bit to clear up the misfire. See it shaking. See it shaking here? Yeah. We'll get a little heat into it.
Starting to smooth out pretty good.
Yeah, it's smoothing out. little battery cranked it up. Happened to be the same bolt cranking amps as the old one, but it's just not going to last as long.
Yeah. We'll see what happens in the wintertime, how those cold cranking amps.
Probably not going to even put it to the test.
Yeah. Probably a good idea.
If it was down your way, it'll start up, but here,
Yeah.
might get a little bit. And it'll do it a little more, and then a little more. So there's definitely a carburetor issue still, even though it's been rebuilt. A little bit more. Yep.
America. Can give her a little bit now.
I'll feed her some onions.
Yeah.
while I'm rolling.
Yep. Perfect. So this has been replacing the battery on jaykay18's 67 Buick. Thank you for watching. But wait, there's more. Let's see what we got.